Morning, guys. Just thought I'd start off this week's vlog with something cute. I'm on my own, broken the law. So what she said is we've basically made eggy bread cheese toasties. So what it is it's two bits of bread squashed together with cheese in the middle, wrapped in egg with a bit of milk to make your egg go further. Then you fry it with a pan that don't burn, and then this is what you get. Sorry guys, we're back again. Basically, mother wants some gin glasses. Gonna get her in for Christmas, but because she don't watch the vlog, I can tell you everything I'm gonna buy her. I'm not going to, but I can. Snazzy doors with Katie Duck. And yeah, we're gonna buy some gin glasses. We're gonna look at cupboards for me nan. And I'm gonna get a rainbow unicorn wall thing. I'm not being funny, right? They are crap. These are crap. Just look at them. They are absolutely useless. Hate them. So, we found the better one, the one that has no hole, and it looks slightly better. I mean, it looks like the type of thing you'd serve paella on in a Spanish restaurant, but yeah, doesn't really suit the room though. You've got yellow, you've got rose garden wallpaper, and you've got polka dot bogeyman. Don't have a clue what I'm about. So look, got ourselves a table, an oak coloured table. We've got ourselves some stuff in here. We've got some tea lights. We've got our gin glasses that we said. We've got some little like silicone oven glove things. We've got a potato peeler for my dad. And we've got a pet hair remover for my super dry coat because I've got like white fluff all over it. Anyway, back at the car. We're trying to go to the Meadowhall. Harvester. Harvester. So we're here in Harvester, looking at desserts, as you do, and we are gonna get it's not barbecue chicken stack, loads of food, Harvester salad, all you can eat, beautiful. Food arrives! So now we've got salad and we've got chicken stack. Yummy. Halloween shop. I've lost Kayleigh. Freaky stuff. So, been to Primark, been to Harvester, been to lots of other shops, been to Card Factory, been to Pound Shop, got some Halloween gear. Should be alright that. In we go! I never ever filmed this, so you're probably going to get a really good shot here on my face because the sun's right in my eyes here. Flipping heck! You've done it a second time! You've made a funny noise, you scare me to death! So, for everyone that knows, when it comes to making cocktails, I've got quite a few spirits down there in that corner. So, what we've done is we've tried to make a cherry bakewell doing the following. So using some grenadine, cherry brandy, di Serrano and liquor 43, we've basically put the mixture into here with some ice, ready for us to shake up, and then we're going to put it into our Bulmer's glass, and then we're going to top it up with some 7-Up. So hopefully this should come out well. Kayleigh has made a very nice looking purple rain, as you can see when I lift it up to the light. Kayleigh has just gone and filled up the ice cube tray, and here we goes with Adam's attempt at cocktail making. It's like blood. It's like blood. Look at that. Is that it? Is that all the spirit that's gone in that? Just missed it.
It'll be flattened out.
Why? I apologise. Why does my mum wash straws? I can't even get to the bottom of the blooming glass. Not bad, that. So guys, we finished uni over a year ago, and when it comes to Halloween, there is one there is one thing in particular that we need to always get out. DJ Skelly! Let's blow him up. It up. Hello everyone. We've found a great spot for him. Right there. Looking after my bedroom while I'm at work. DJ Skelly is back again. So guys, it's Friday, which means the vlog goes live tomorrow, which also means you're probably at the end of the vlog by now. But what's important, tonight we are going to a firework display. I know it's a bit early, it's only 26th. But fireworks! Who don't love fireworks? Kayleigh's chatting about what we're doing next week, which I will come on to in a second. But until then, enjoy, guys, the Halloween special, where we play some Friday the 13th. Check this out.
Cut this way, this way,
I told you he was near us. Are you outside? Are you outside?
I've unlocked the door.
No, you're a tit. I'm coming after you.
Oh my god!
Hang on, how do I know who I'm spectating?
Oh my days!
Tommy's been brought in, but Adam, are you a woman or what?
I don't know where he... Oh, flipping Nora's right behind me.
Adam. I think you're dead, mate. Adam, you're dead.
No! Break free. Oh my god, I broke free, Carl! I broke free!
So guys, you know that we're going to the bonfire night thing, right? I need some change, so I thought, right, get all money out of my wallet, see what we've got. We've got this. £1, £2, £3, £4, £5, £6. All in 20 P's. Right, you can't see me, or you can just see me now. Got some cake, right? Got to get a shift on because I'm supposed to get to the Kayleigh's mum and dad's work for 10 to, right? 10 to 7. And it is now, right? It is now 25 to 25, quarter to 7. So I've literally got 5 minutes. So yeah, as I was saying, for Halloween, me, Lucy, Kayleigh and Paul, we are going on a sort of a double date with Amber. Can't forget Amber. And we are going to Nottingham. There's some kind of Halloween fair there at the minute, where they usually have the Winter Wonderland. So we're going to go to that. So I should record. You should see that next week. And then we're going to go for pizza. We're going to go back to Inferno Pizza. So you might have seen for my 21st birthday, I went to a place called Inferno. It's now called Pizza Storm. They rebranded a few years ago, so that's always interesting. And also, we are going to Prism. No, I'm not getting arrested. We are going to the Halloween Day 2 event at the Prism in Nottingham. And it is going to be a crazy club night, basically. We're banging tunes, disco room, shots. And yeah, that should be kind of cool. So guys, that's what's coming next week in our Halloween vlog special. Until next time, guys, enjoy some fireworks. I'll see you soon. Lots of fancy stuff here. We've got a runaway train. We've got whatever that is. And food stalls. It's about to start.
It's not a photo, Mum. So we're into our final countdown now. 5, 4,